In this video, we are going to cover the weekly maintenance portion of the maintenance guide. If you want to see what's included on the daily maintenance, please refer to the operational video. All right, so step number one in the weekly maintenance is we want to inspect our hoses and make sure that there is no irregular bends or problems with flow, any leaks in vacuum, right? So you want to make sure that these aren't leaking, nothing's pulling away from the cuff. Same thing on your squeegee hose. Make sure you don't have any rips and tears. Next step is that you want to inspect and clean your float ball assembly and also your filter. The Kodiak K12 is equipped with wet batteries, and the next step in the weekly maintenance is inspecting those batteries and make sure that they have the proper amount of electrolyte. A couple of safety items first before we get into that. Make sure that you have a good pair of safety glasses and any metal jewelry, necklace, watch, rings, all need to be removed. To get to the batteries, pop the hood latch, rotate the recovery tank over. That's going to reveal your batteries. There's caps, two caps on top of the batteries, and you want to go ahead and remove both caps to inspect the electrolyte level. If the electrolyte level is too low, you want to add distilled water only after the batteries are unplugged from the charger. Another item on the weekly checklist is inspecting your brush. To do that, loosen those two hand screws, remove your shroud, scissor clips, squeeze them, brush comes right off. You want to go ahead and flip it over, check the fibers, make sure that there's nothing wrapped around it, and you also want to make sure that your main scrubbing fibers have not reached the level of this wear indicator. If they have, feel free to contact us. The number's on the back of the machine, and this is the part number to order a brand new brush. If everything's fine, go ahead and return it. One of the items on the daily checklist you want to do before you put the scrubber up for the day is go ahead and clean off your squeegee. We're going to do that by loosening the retention knobs, pull the hose, squeegee slides right off in the back. Feel free to wipe your machine down. Any good tire shine product, it's going to give it a nice deep luster. Oh yeah.